How to get LinkedIn Premium for free. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a process which you can apply to get your free premium LinkedIn. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Let's begin. So as you can see, I have my web browser open here. You first want to open the web browser of your choice. And from here, you want to open your LinkedIn. Once you go to the official LinkedIn website, just make sure to log into your account. This should be your home page. And on top of your screen, you can see different tabs like Home, Network, Jobs, and at the very end, you will see the Try Premium for $0. But if you don't see this, you can click on this drop down on Me, and you will see this Start Your 1 month free trial. Just click right here, and it will open up a new tab. So you can choose why you want to use the premium. So I'm just going to choose the first option, then click on next. You just have to quickly answer these questions. So I'm just going to search confidence and get hired. I'm just going to choose these options. Alright, so here are different plans that LinkedIn offers you. I recommend you use this career plan so you can read all of these benefits of this plan. And once you do this, just select your plan and then click on Try Now for $0. And once you do this, it will take you to the checkout page. You have to select which type of billing cycle you are willing to pay. So just click on monthly, and from here you can add your details. So if you want to add your card details, just click on this drop down, enter all of your card details, click on save, and once you do this, it will remind you 7 days before the trial is going to be over, so you can cancel your subscription anytime. Once you enter your card details, you can click on start a free trial, and then you should be able to get LinkedIn Premium for free for a month. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.